Okay, crafty critters, get out your light globe. Whatever kind you have, from a ceiling fan, an old lamp, a vintage lamp fixture, or go to the Goodwill and get you one, because this is going to be an easy craft and they are really cheap at the Goodwill. And this is the one I'm going to be working with today. What else you'll need are some fairy lights. And these are some really good bright ones. You're going to need a stuffed animal of some kind. Today I'm doing a Santa Claus. Well, you could use a stuffed animal or maybe even a doll and some glue. Okay, I'm going to be working with this Santa. It's an old Santa he was a musical Santa, but he was broken, didn't work. So I've already taken off his head pretty quickly. We're going to have us a nice little light. All right, this is going to be quick and it's going to be easy. Santa's going to fit nicely. This is why I decided to use this bigger one. These lights are fairy lights with a timer that I got off of Amazon. I'll leave the link to them in the description. They are really bright and really long, but I'm going to spread them out inside of here and they should give off a good glow. Unbunch your lights and fill up your globe. I'm just going to fold in the edges of where I cut it off of the body and put some hot glue in there to seal it up. Then I'm going to lay them on my globe and see where I think they look right. And I'm also testing out a belt to see if I like it. So just a little more adjusting, getting the arms just right. Now I'm going to put his head on so I can have a little look and see how he's coming. And he's looking pretty cute so far. Little chunky monkey. His little pot belly. So now we need to add on the legs. I'm just going to do the legs just like the arms. Seal up the hole that I have and then find a good placement where they look right and attach them also to the lower part of the globe. And for all of this, I'm just using my glue gun. So I decided he really does need the belt because he has that big old belly with nothing on it. Just like everything else, I'm just attaching this with my handy dandy hot glue gun. Here is my Santa. I ended up putting some permanent marker on that purse strap I had and making it for a belt. He still needs some kind of a buckle. I haven't come up with anything yet. And here he is with the lights on. And one other thing is you could put something here in the bottom. I was thinking like a mason jar lid would fit good over there. And look, you could put something in his hand. I mean, if you're even going to do one like this, but you could decorate it up. I'm probably going to put a little plant in between his legs, maybe a candy cane over here. This is how he looks. He doesn't look all cutesy from the back or the side, really, even. He's just cute from the front. But like I said, you could do it with the stuffed animal. And I really thought this little, you see it's etched and it's got grapes or something on it and leaves. This little girl has a narrow neck and you could pop her head off, stick it in there, put her arms up here, her legs down here, and a whole ton of those lights in there, and make a cute little night light for a kid's room. The same you could do with this little bear or Elmo. It would look cute in this little one, especially. You could see all the lights. You know, being able to see them, I think, would be cute. But there's your idea for today. I hope it gets you inspired. I hope it gets you crafting, and I will see you on the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thanks. Bye.